Did you know the average American household owes more than $5,000 in credit card debt? Sounds overwhelming, right? Well, don't worry. In the next 4 minutes, I'll show you exactly how to crush your credit card debt, pay it off faster, and stay debt-free for life. Stick around, you'll thank yourself later. Why credit card debt is so common. First, let's talk about why credit card debt is so common. It's not just you, it's a national issue. Many Americans get caught in the trap of high interest rates, unexpected expenses, and, let's be real, the temptation to swipe now and worry later. And those minimum payments? They're designed to keep you in debt as long as possible. But here's the thing, the debt cycle doesn't have to control your life. Let me show you how to break free. Step 1, assess your debt. Step 1 is simple but crucial, know your numbers. Take out all your credit card statements and list your total balance for each card, your interest rate, APR, your minimum payment. This will give you a clear picture of your debt and help you create a plan. And trust me, getting everything down in black and white can be empowering. It's the first step toward taking back control. Step 2, choose a payoff strategy. Now let's pick your strategy. There are 2 popular methods. The Snowball method, pay off the smallest balance first to build momentum. The Avalanche method, focus on the card with the highest interest rate to save the most money long term. If you're motivated by quick wins, go with the Snowball method. But if you want to save the most money, the Avalanche method is your best bet. Either way, commit to paying more than the minimum on your targeted card, while maintaining minimum payments on the others. Step 3, reduce expenses and boost income. Paying off debt faster often means making some temporary sacrifices. Look for areas to cut back. Skip dining out for a while. Cancel unused subscriptions. Shop smarter, like buying generic brands. And don't stop there. Boost your income with side hustles or selling items you no longer need. Every extra dollar can go toward your debt. Step 4, negotiate and consolidate. Another way to speed up your progress? Negotiate with your credit card company. Many people don't realize you can ask for a lower interest rate, a reduced minimum payment, a payment plan tailored to your situation, or consider consolidating your debt with a low-interest personal loan or a balance transfer card. Just make sure to read the fine print to avoid fees. Staying debt-free. Once you've paid off your debt, the goal is to stay debt-free. Here's how. Build an emergency fund. Aim for 3 to 6 months of expenses. Use your credit card only for planned purchases, never for impulse buys. Pay your balance in full each month to avoid interest charges. Remember, credit cards aren't the enemy, they're tools. But like any tool, you need to use them wisely. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and share it with someone who could use a little help getting out of debt. Together, we can all achieve financial freedom. See you in the next video.